We have quite simply run out of supply.
The province's vaccine rollout hitting a bump. While over 90,000 Albertans have received a first jab, a Pfizer production problem in Belgium means our vaccination numbers will stall.
Even with a new shipment of Pfizer vaccines expected later this week, we won't have enough vaccine to continue with new first dose appointments. That is why first dose appointments will not be scheduled until further notice. By pausing first appointments, we can ensure enough vaccine is allocated for committed second dose appointments.
Kenny says AHS is able to vaccinate 50,000 people a week right now, and once it expands to include pharmacists, up to 200,000 a week. However, supply is out of their control and in the hands of the federal government.
Pfizer has since been able to readjust its delivery schedule so that European countries will not be significantly affected, but Canada's supply will be held back. We'll have to delay the number of planned vaccines for eligible healthcare workers and the vaccination to other Albertans in the broader Phase 1 populations. This means that the planned vaccination of First Nations and Métis individuals and over the age of 65 and seniors broadly over the age of 75 has been put on hold.
While the federal government has secured exclusive purchasing agreements with Pfizer and 7 other manufacturers, Kenny says he's not ruling out sourcing vaccines on their own.
If there are producers that ultimately go through successful Phase 3 trials and ultimately get approval from Health Canada, and those producers do not have purchasing agreements with the Government of Canada, perhaps there's an opportunity for us to acquire supplementary supply.
Other provinces are feeling the pinch. Ontario's largest vaccination site in Toronto will have to pause for 5 days due to a shortage. In Calgary, Tara Overholt, City News.